And we're all about community, service, volunteering. It's more than just like your event. It's not just baking, it's not just fashion, it's not just entrepreneurship. It's about serving your community and getting that family aspect in there. And so the part that I'm looking forward most to by going to national is getting more in that community.
We've had a lot of success on the national level. We've had national winners, top 10 placers every time we've gone. So maybe that is a little bit of pressure on the students, but really our whole program, our students are successful and they are able to showcase these things every day in class.
But with FCCLA and the CTE program, it really just changes everything about your life. I mean, I burnt eggs before I was in this program. It's not great. And I can tell you I haven't burnt eggs in years. My crepes are fantastic. So it really improves your life.